Welcome to another video about compiling code with batch files. Today we're going to take a look at variables. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. This line's starting to get messy, and you can imagine lots of files, lots of libraries. Many weeks down the road you're working on this thing. This is going to get unwieldy. So what we can do is use variables. The way a variable works is you say set name equal value. The way you can make a variable is you just say set variable equals value. Now, how do you get the value? We're going to echo var, and then we're going to echo %var%. That should echo just this word. It doesn't know anything about a variable. And this will echo the contents of the variable, which should be value. Let's see if that happens. And there we go, var and value. Let's go back to our script and add some variables. We created some variables. We created variables, target, source files, include directories, flags. And what we can come down here is just change all this stuff. So that is the target, %target. And then this is the source files. And here's the include directories. And finally, flags. So that should do the same thing that it did before. And in fact, it works. I don't like that this 04 here is in two places, right? It's here and there. And so you got two places. So let's change this. Let's say, how about target number? And we'll set that equal to 04. And what you can actually do now is you can say %target number, let's spell it right. You can use variables inside other variables. So we have target number 04, and then the target is target number -main.c. We can do the same thing down here. Get rid of that. You can say %target number %. And in the future, all we have to do is change this target number, and it should change everything. Let's see if that worked. And in fact, we do 04 batch. Let's change it back to, let's change it to 3. What does that do? And it says 03. Hello from 03. So in fact, that is working. So variables are a way to keep things organized. You don't have to remember. If you use like target number has more than one place, you just set it in one place. It's kind of like having constants when you're programming. You don't want to have magic numbers. So you could go crazy with this. Is this a little over-engineered for this simple example? Yes, but you could see how it would be useful the larger and larger your project gets. So that's how to use variables. Next time we're going to be looking at using go-tos to jump around in the code, and you can upset everybody. So in the meantime, happy coding, stay curious.